Hey guys, welcome back. I'm here today at my foyer and we are going to have a special guest. He's a good friend and his name is interior designer Jegs Santos.
Hi everyone, I'm Jegs Santos. I'm an interior designer. I'm also a mechanical engineer and I also do event styling. So that's what I do.
Yes, and he does home styling also.
Yes, yes.
That is how we kind of met is I needed help with my Christmas decorations and
Yes.
Jegs came into the
Super
rescue.
love ko yun. Super
Yeah,
love ko yun.
sobrang laki ng transformation.
Yes.
Because I had a big party. It was a house for a few friends and different sessions. So yun, inisa-isa niya basically putting elements that we kind of found from Pinterest. You know?
Yeah.
Yes. So now, I gave him a challenge for my foyer area. So this is the main door. Dito kami pumapasok. And this is the first thing that everybody sees, even our guests. So I told him I wasn't really happy anymore with what we used before because it was also just used got it from other places pa, from the house. And I said I wanted something new. And there, yun na. Then,
So-
can I ask, how did you go about styling this place?
Okay, so for your foyer kasi, your house is so beautiful, very, very magnificent, and you had a very sizable foyer. So what I did was I thought of first the scale of the room. Like what would create a beautiful or big impact when you enter. So that's actually very important when you style your entryway, actually any entryway or foyer. You have to think about the scale of the room on what accessories you're gonna put. So here we did is we created beautiful arrangements of white and greens to create a beautiful vignette when you enter. So we used some orchids, hydrangeas, and some beautiful greenery. So you'll see that it's very, very tall. Actually, very tall. It's nice. Kasi the place is tall eh.
Yeah.
So when you enter, the height gives that grand feeling agad.
Kasi from the start, the foyer isn't big. Actually, ayan, malaki nga yung door and it's not that big. Pero I really wanted something. Pag pumasok yung guest or kami, it's like, oh, may ganong factor
Yes.
na, wow.
May
And
wow
we don't have paintings. We don't really actually buy paintings, as I told you. Hindi kami collectors. So, I really wanted something like flowers. But I
Yes.
told you,
Yes.
not fresh.
Not fresh,
Kasi
not
it's
fresh.
so hard to maintain.
Yes.
Actually, ayaw mo. Like, sabi mo
Kasi kasi I do flower arrangements, di ba?
maganda sanang fresh, but maybe for a certain occasion, pero something for long term, this is perfect.
Yes, it's actually more sustainable as well. It's more sustainable.
Actually, it's nice nga that you decided to do a tall because when I was doing it myself before with, when we moved into this house, I usually put something small. Siguro lang here lang.
Yes.
Tapos puno ng things here.
Yes.
Like my magazines, I don't know, parang yun yung idea ko before of a foyer. My candle, my
Yes.
magazines, whatever.
Yes.
And this is where you get your newspaper.
Yes. Actually, what you did before is actually great. Super nice siya. Parang we just enhanced it more and opted to do a visual spectacle, as they say, for the foyer. Kaya we decided on big arrangements. So you'll see now, we also played with the rule of three. 3 objects create a beautiful triangle. So there's a triangle in the rule of 3. So here, what we did is we have a very, very tall arrangement so that satisfies the height of the space. And then to bring your eyes around the whole vignette, you do a mid-level arrangement and then you do a smaller arrangement.
Okay.
But you'll see na and the 3 arrangements are different, but they're all coordinated with the same shape of the vessel, same.
I super like this actually.
Yes.
That you put like kasi normally, di ba, wala.
Usually wala, yes.
Base lang na clear. And then it's so nice na meron siyang fake leaves.
Yes.
So parang hotel.
Yes, very hotel nga siya. Very, very hotel siya.
Sinabi ko, gusto ko ng hotel vibe.
Yes.
Parang I feel like I'm in a hotel.
Yes.
How do you balance putting picture frames or putting that you bought from traveling to making it clean and just hindi siya minimalist eh.
Hindi siya minimalist.
Yes. Things that is
Yes. Actually, you have to edit talaga. When you style, you really have to edit. Those memorabilias you get from your travel, those can be stored. You can rotate actually things eh. Kasi usually people naman when they're at home, they're gonna rearrange things. So whatever you arrange on one table, maybe a picture frame or whatever, and you take out some, pwede mo ibalik yan later on eh. Parang you just have to satisfy your current vision for a particular corner or space in your house. And then, again, yeah, you just edit. Pero keep what makes you happy. That for me is very, very important. You have to show personality as well. Parang being minimalist doesn't have to be, or editing doesn't have to take out the personality in you. Choose what you love. Keep what you love.
Yeah, kasi syempre titingnan mo siya araw-araw. Of course.
Oh, of course. And you're in your safe space eh. Your home is your safe space. So,
Is it okay to put colors?
of
For
course.
example, ganyan, green and white, which I love. Hello.
Yes.
Green and white. Bigla kang mag-blue. Or something. It's fine.
It's fine. But for me, when you're gonna do blue, you're gonna do colors, as much as possible, you partner it with other colors as well. So, or you multiply it. So maybe you do blue here and then maybe have another blue vase, maybe a blue chair. So everything is coordinated para hindi siya magulo tignan.
Okay, so I guess maybe you can share some tips for our viewers there. If they want to style their foyer and they don't have your magic powers, so your magic hands,
Grabe.
styling hands, ano yung parang small things that they can do already or start with a foyer?
Okay.
And they want to use their own things.
Make it as personal as possible. Use things that are a bit big, that are maybe proportionate to where you're gonna place
Sa
it.
ceiling height, I guess.
Sa ceiling height, sa wall space. So yeah, play with scale, group things. This is a nice grouping actually.
Group into three.
Group into three as much as you can. Group into three picture frames, 3 beautiful bowls, maybe 1 beautiful arrangement, which actually helps add greenery. Fake, real, add greenery. It gives so much impact to an entryway. Add lighting. Could be a small table lamp that you turn on when you enter, or have a beautiful built-in downlight or spotlight to highlight maybe an artwork or this particular space, this beautiful arrangement. So yun, parang those are like nice tips that I can advise everyone.
For me, I think the best is may different sizes.
Yes, may also play with
Leveling.
height. Yes, play with height. Play with height, like how
Even height.
yes, how we did it here.
And then greenery.
Yeah,
The texture.
super big impact, super duper big impact for me.
Yeah, so there you guys have it. Those are like the good styling tips that interior designer Jegs have for us. Of course, if you want to book Jegs, you can
Yes.
contact him. I'll put the
Please.
information down below. And please book him and contact him kasi he can do home styling, event styling, even interior designing.
Yes, I also do know.
He's also a mechanical engineer. But
Yeah, ayun, pero hindi na ako para mag-offer yung service ko na yun.
so yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you again to the next episode. Bye!